Hey guys, Manny Waya here, founder of 2000books.com and the $1,000,000bookclub.com. And in this video, I want to talk to you about the difference between fake persistence and real persistence. This is something that's been on my mind for quite a while now, and I want to talk about it, especially because I went through this phase. I went through this phase of understanding when I was doing fake persistence and when I was doing real persistence. So 3 years ago, when I was starting to build 2000 books, what I started to do was, just when my YouTube channel was beginning to take off, just when my YouTube channel was beginning to grow, I started a podcast. Now, what happened here? What I was doing was, I was not happy enough with the results of what was happening with the YouTube channel. I'm like, this is not working, this is not for me, this is not the right demographic, and blah, blah, blah. I kept on giving myself reasons for why I should actually do something where there's a better opportunity, and seems like podcast has a better opportunity, seems like podcasting is where it's at. So I decided to go and now do both the YouTube channel and the podcast at the same time. Big mistake, one of the biggest mistakes I made early on in this business, because that really split my focus, and now I'm trying to do different things at the same time. Now, if you think about it, what I was doing was I was persisting in trying to make this business work, but I was trying this opportunity, I was trying that opportunity. That was fake persistence. What real persistence says is that I don't care about opportunity. I'm gonna take this opportunity and I'll make it work. Fake persistence says, I'm going to try all of these different opportunities and see which one works. Real persistence says, I will make this damn thing work. Very big difference. Very big difference between saying, let me see if this works, let me see if that works, versus saying, I will make this damn thing work no matter what. Really, really, really big difference. Now I want to talk about this book, The One Thing by Gary Keller and Jay Papasan, and they give a very interesting example or a metaphor of the falling dominoes. So they explain that if you have dominoes, let's say you have a 2-inch domino, a 2-inch tall domino can topple a 3-inch domino. So every domino can topple a domino that's 50% bigger than its own size. So if it's a 2-inch domino, it can topple a 3-inch domino. A 3-inch domino can topple a 4.5-inch domino. A 4.5-inch domino will topple a 6.75-inch domino, and so on and so forth. So let's say in life, you have just about enough energy to maybe topple 60 dominoes, 60, right? Now, what do most people do? They seek out all these different opportunities. They try one thing, second thing, third thing, fourth thing, fifth thing. They're trying all over the place. So most people, what they're doing is they're doing fake persistence. And what I mean by that is they have the energy to topple 60 dominoes, but they will spread that energy over 5 or 6 different domains. So maybe they'll say, okay, I will topple 10 dominoes in area 1, 10 dominoes in area 2, 10 dominoes in area 3, 10 dominoes in area 4, and so on and so forth. They do it for 6 dominoes. While the really persistent guy, the really persistent person says, I will just go after this one thing, I'll make it work, I will just topple 60 dominoes in this one area. Now what happens? Let's do some math, let's do some calculation. When you are fake persistent, when you are fake persistent, and let's say you topple 10 dominoes in 6 different areas, what happens is, if you start with a 2-inch domino, by the time you get to the 10th domino, the height of the 10th domino is probably around 7 feet or something like that. So the height of the 11th domino is around the height of your bedroom ceiling. Around 10 to 11 feet is what it comes down to. That's all you do in 6 different areas. So in each of those 6 different areas, you're going to accomplish the equivalent of the height of your bedroom ceiling. But now let's go to the guy with the real persistence who says, I'm going to make this one thing work. I'm just going to make this one thing work. What happens here? Well, he starts with a 2-inch domino. What happens? At the 11th domino, he is at the height of your bedroom ceiling. That's the height of his accomplishment. But he keeps going. He or she keeps going all the way to 60 dominoes or 55 dominoes or whatever. So take a guess. How tall is the 55th domino going to be? Remember, the dominoes are increasing by 50% in size from domino number 1. So 2 inches, 3 inches, 4.5 inches, 6.25, 6.6, 6.75 inches, and so on and so forth. How tall is the 56th domino? Take a guess. When I ask most people, they say, well, maybe it is as tall as a 40-floor building, or maybe it's as tall as the new Empire State Building. Some people say, oh, maybe it's as tall as Mount Everest. Well, yeah, maybe. No, the real answer is 56 dominoes. It's as high as going to the moon and back. Now that is stellar success, literally stellar. You're in the stars, you're at the moon, right? Stellar success. But what that person did was real persistence. They just persisted with one thing for a long period of time till it started to give results and more results and more and more and more results, and kept on going. While the person with fake persistence, they just diversified their persistence all over the place. They tried this, they tried that, they tried all sorts of things, and then they're wondering why they're not getting the results that they want. So here's another way to look at fake persistence. Fake persistence is going really wide. Okay, you try SEO and blog, that didn't work, so you go and try YouTube. That didn't work, so you go and try paid advertising. That didn't work, so you go and try, let me try the Reddit thing. Let me try the Quora thing. Let me try this new opportunity that someone's telling me about. Real estate investing. Let me go try that. No. Let me become a consultant. No. Let me become a high ticket sales. On and on and on and on and on, you have this width. And not only that, even inside the business, I've seen this mistake being made again and again, where people are like, let me try and go after writing a book. Let me go and let me go and do some Facebook marketing. Let me go and you just keep on diversifying your focus. You keep on trying 25 different things rather than saying, let me make this damn thing work. I'm going to go deep. I'm going to go really deep on this thing and I will make it work. Depth is where real persistence is. Breadth is fake persistence. So hopefully you got a perspective on what's been going on in my mind about fake persistence versus real persistence. And hopefully you are on the path to real persistence.